Hi people, alright. I'm catching a bit of cold today, but it's alright. I got a video for you guys. A quick video today is a short tutorial on how I created this levitation shot right here. So enjoy, alright. It's a quick tutorial, and yeah, let me go take some Panadol. Sorry about this. Alright, let's go to the tutorial. Alright, first off, you just need a stool. You can get a cheap one like mine from IKEA. Go to the location, show the model how to pose, get the shot. I recommend shooting from a down-up angle. Then once you get home, you can either edit the stool out using Photoshop via Content Aware or Clone Stamp tool. Or you can use the mobile app called Snapseed and use the healing tool. Then voila, you got your very own levitation photo.